Hi everyone, welcome back. Livingstone here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add pharmacy items units. Okay, so to do that you are going to click on this advanced settings link, then you look for a link called pharmacy items units, alright, which is right here. Click on it, and after it opens you can add a new one by clicking this button, add unit. Okay, so when it opens you add the unit name. Let us say tablet. Okay, I want to say tablet, then you add the symbol. Okay, let us say symbol is tabs. Alright, then after doing that you click on this submit button, and that unit will be added into clinicplus. So you can basically come here and we search for it, like for example tablet, and it is right here. Okay, so you can edit it by using this edit button. Alright, you can edit it, changing the name and the symbol basically, and after editing you can click on this save changes button, right? So you can even delete that unit by clicking this delete button, and after it gives you this warning that are you sure you want to delete it, you click proceed and it will be deleted from the system. So that is how we add units in clinicplus software. See you in our next video.